All right, here we go. That is a matzo. It's covered with the sincerely Brigitte. I say Bridget, but whatever. I should have asked her how to pronounce her name. But I've had this cheese, and this is the wasabi. The wasabi is amazing. Love it. And this is asparagus, chopped asparagus. So what we're going to do is we took matzos. We're making matzo pizzas. And everything's fallen off. But sorry, we'll put it back on. This is the work surface. Everything that hits the plate, we just put it back into the bag. That is what makes this so interesting. Notice I had to thin. Oops, Houston, we have a problem. Things are hitting the table. We're just going to let everything flow off. We don't care. Because after we're done, we're going to cheese it up. You got to cheese it up. All right, that looks good. We're going vegetarian, baby. We like the crunch of raw asparagus. Healthy. I'm not Jewish. Bridget, whatever you want to call it. She asked me to do something special for her. I am. There you go. My matzo pizza. I'm not the first person to ever do a matzo pizza, but if you're watching my videos, you know no one's ever done it like this. Lightly layer the cheese. Jacques Pepin loves me. He does French, I do anything. Got to give a shout out to Jacques Pepin because only person that ever put a cooking channel up that I really cared about. I see other cooks put up stuff. I was like, I would never make that. You got to be kidding me. But he's part of the whole salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper. Pause for the cause.